Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at some more tiki torch lights. I'm really excited because this is a design I really enjoy having. So let's take a look at this box. Inside the box there are 4 of them, so you get plenty of lights to put outside so you can enjoy it. It does have some product features on the back. I'm going to read them to you. It does say weather resistant, so you're not going to have to worry about it getting damaged in the rain. Unique and multi-choice dancing flames. This does come with a remote control, so you can change some settings and make it appeal to your delight, basically. These are eco-friendly, so they're solar powered. You're not going to have to worry about some sort of battery or using an AC cord to charge it. And it's on and off from dusk to dawn. So you're going to get a lot of use, a lot of power, and be able to light up your house. So let's open it right up. Right off the bat, I do have a user manual. And I can go over that in a little bit. Some other cards. Alright, here is the remote. Forgot how to say remote for a second there. And then a couple of attachment pieces, which when we attach them, we're going to need those. Here's what they look like. All 4 of these look like. They're not all different. And these are by Xabitat, so don't think I mentioned that, but the nice tiki torch lights by Xabitat is what we're looking at today. Yeah, I'm going to put one together for you guys. Alright, I'm going to look at the user manual because there's a lot of pieces in here. Solar powered lamp features IP67 waterproof rating, which enables it to work normally in rainy or even slightly snowy weather. There's a button on here, the on and off function. Oh, there we go. It does have some charge in there, so that's what it looks like, if you can see that. We'll place them outside later, and then we can come back at night and definitely look at them. But I wanted to show you what they look like, but it's dark enough for that. Okay. But yeah, the button's on the front, that's all I did. Connect the ground stake to the ground spike together. So we're going to find this, I'm assuming this one. The first one, I need the spike to go in the ground. Okay, here we go. I have the spikes. There's also some other stuff. These little pieces here. Here, I'm going to put a regular one together. Just put it in the ground. Put the stake in it. There we go. This is what we have. It looks like you got the stake, or the pole piece, and then the stake, and then here we have one pole piece right there. Looks like I put this in here, and then I have a stand as well. So maybe you live in an apartment or a townhouse, you don't really have the ability to put something in the grass, or maybe you want something nice for a brief sort of party or experience. These are stands, so as long as you have the ability to charge it solar previously, so it can light up while you want it, or where it is, you can put it on the ground and not have to worry about putting a stake in the ground. You can just set it probably on concrete or anything like that. It's really unique. Never reviewed a product like that that has dual features for a solar powered device. So that's really cool. Alright, so now that we've taken a look at the stuff in here, I'm going to place them outside so then we can charge them up and come back out later so we can show you what they look like at night. Alright, so I've placed 2 of them right here at the front of my garden. I'm going to place the other 2, but I'm gonna come back when it's dark outside and show you what they look like at night.
Okay.
It's dusk now. Not quite completely dark out yet, but the lights have come on and they look really spectacular. We've got 4 of these tiki torch lights in the garden. I'm going to show you some of the settings available by using the remote control. Number 1 is the dancing flame. Number 2 is a constant flame. Number 3 is a breathing flame. I'll show you those again. Dancing flame, constant flame, and breathing flame. I really like the versatility of stake lights, and you know, they can be moved around very easily, and as I mentioned, these can also be placed on the stands provided. Please check the description section below for more information. We appreciate your likes and comments. Thanks for watching.